Hello everyone, welcome back to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make disinfectant wipes at home. So let me show you what you'll need. You're going to need one roll of paper towels. We're going to be cutting this to fit our container, so don't worry if it's too big or you feel like it's not going to fit the container. I'm going to be using an empty disinfectant wipes container. You can use any type of container, like a coffee container, anything that you like. 3 tablespoons of Clorox and 2 cups of water. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing we're going to do is measure out our paper towel to the container and cut it accordingly. So we're going to cut it according to how big our container is. And after cutting the paper towel roll, now we're just going to go ahead and place it into our container. All right, and so now I have 2 cups of water in a measuring cup, and I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of Clorox to that and just mix it in. After mixing that in, you're just going to pour this over your paper towel roll. And once we pour it over, I'm going to be removing that cardboard piece from the middle. And once you remove the cardboard, it should be easy to pull out the wipes. And now I'm going to go ahead and put the lid back on. And this will be just like store-bought Clorox wipes. And also, if your lid does not have like a hole to pull out the wipes, you can just use a knife and cut it open. And that way you could just slide your wipes through that. Right, and that is how you make homemade disinfectant wipes. I hope you guys find this video helpful, especially with stores right now being sold out of disinfectant wipes. And plus, it's much cheaper and it's super easy to make it at home, so why not? So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching.